Hello everyone! In this video, I'll explain how to link PayPal to Zelle. Since PayPal and Zelle are two separate payment systems, there's no direct option to connect them, but you can still transfer money between them using a common bank account. Here's how it works. First, make sure you have a US bank account that supports Zelle. Almost all major banks like Chase, Wells Fargo, and Bank of America work with it. Open your PayPal app and link this bank account to PayPal. You'll need to add the account and verify it, either instantly with your login or by confirming small deposits. Next, open your banking app or Zelle app and ensure the same bank account is set up with Zelle. Now, when you want to move money from PayPal to Zelle, you first withdraw funds from PayPal into your bank account. Once the money shows up in your bank, you can use Zelle to send it instantly to another person. The process works the same in reverse. If someone sends you money through Zelle, it goes into your bank account. From there, you can add it into PayPal by transferring it from your bank. So, while you can't directly link PayPal and Zelle inside the apps, using a shared bank account acts as the bridge between them. This way, you can move funds smoothly and use both services without issue. Subscribe the channel for more videos.